Online businesses are booming nowadays. People are making millions of dollars these days. And if you don't trust me, let me show you the stats. It clearly says that tens of millions of people are making money via internet, and that's not it. If that sounds to be epic, the next one can even depress you. Here, it clearly says that 90% of people fail. Now, that sounds like a huge crash, right? If the failure ratio is 90%, it sounds more like a scam. Just imagine, only the victorious 10% contains tens of millions of people. Now you can imagine the amount of people who try. So there is a huge saturation going out there. So in this video, we're gonna be discussing about, is making money online even possible now? Well, if you look into my narrative, you'll get a clear-cut idea of what is the reality. Because I myself had failed more than 15 different times in 15 different ways. So let's get into it. So I was basically a 13 years old kid when I first tried to make money online. Obviously, in my first try, I was not gonna make a single penny, but I didn't know about that. As a kid, my expectations were high and my dreams were unreal. I browsed through YouTube and found several videos based on online money making methods. I was really thrilled and quickly picked two of the business ideas and started working on them. Days and weeks went by, but I was not getting any traffic. I was never a rich, jacked ass dude and had no money to invest anywhere. It was my first time doing anything like that, so I had zero experience in any work. Moreover, I was too young to do any work. As a result, I received failure. I was too frustrated, yet I tried again in the same niche, same two businesses, and guess what? Failure again. It was almost the end of the year. My final exams were about to commence, so I started focusing on my studies instead of business. I got good grades, so I forgot about all the mischief and sadness and continued my studies. Well, one day one of my friends told me about his first income, which was $1,200. This was a huge amount for a 14-year-old kid. I got shocked, and at the same time, it reminded me of my failure. This was the first time when I thought about trying a new job. It was freelancing. Basically, a freelancer is an online contractor who earns wages on a paper job or paper task basis, typically for short-term work. My friend made his money by doing a copywriting job. I didn't mention it earlier, but I was quite good at literary works, and I was already working on a books since the last year. It struck my mind that I can do the copywriting work very well. In no time, I made my profile on Fiverr, Freelancer, and Upwork. I got my first job on Upwork. It was a copywriting job, which paid $1,200 to write a 120-page book. I grabbed the opportunity and completed the work. But the only thing I got in return was betrayal. It was a scam. Not once, but twice I got scammed in the freelancing business. Moreover, the book on which I was working got deleted from my PC. It was almost the end of my career in online businesses. But one day, when I was scrolling through YouTube, I saw a video of Iman Gadzhi. I remember the exact title of the video, and it was How to Get the Victory. Now, that video was an eye-opening video of my life. I got so inspired by it that I started to work again on my book. Day and night I worked on it and finally published it. In less than 3 days I got over 50 sales. This was the first time when I tasted success. Of course it was not too much, but if you think from a different aspect, most of the kids at this age don't even know how to talk professionally. So I got appreciated by each person whom I knew. My parents, my siblings, my friends, everybody gave me a clear-cut view that I am on the right path. So I conclude that making money online is not an impossible task to perform. In the same way, it takes time, effort, patience, dedication, and a person who puts all of these things over a long term, they actually get paid for it. Over 80% of millionaires are self-made. In the other word, they started from zero and build their wealth from the ground up through hard work and grit and determination. The secret is this: to build a better tomorrow, you have to give a little today. If you're not able to sacrifice a little today, then you shouldn't plan on building a successful future. Now, if you are a beginner, it might sound difficult and extremely hard to find skills and jobs which can actually pay you. In the modern world, there are hundreds of thousands of influencers faking the wait to become rich, which only 50 to 100 influencers are actually teaching the right things. You can imagine the ratio. It is like finding a pin in a pile of hay. At this point, I'm not even joking. Nowadays, we see countless videos with titles, make $10,000 a day, make $100,000 a month, but are they real? Absolutely not. At this point, it might sound like impossible to find the right path, but if you are watching this video till now, you are already on the right path, because this is a no bullshit channel. Here every single thing which you'll get is completely real. I had experienced a lot of fake people, so I don't want you guys to suffer. I'll make videos related to everything leading to improvement of your lives, be it mentally, physically, or economically. I am with you guys. Check the I button of this video. If I had posted a new video, you can definitely go and watch it. If not, you can wait. So we can conclude that making money online is not a rocket science, but at the same time, it is not even possible for each and every single person to become a millionaire. If you don't want to be trapped in the fake world, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the future videos, because each video could make you 1% better. And if you found this video worth your time, consider hitting that like button. It helps a lot. Until the next time, keep working. Goodbye.